In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to be a UGC creator in Roblox in 2022. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To officially become a UGC creator in Roblox, you need to apply to be a UGC creator by filling out a form on the official Roblox forums. So go into Google and search for updates and changes to the UGC catalog application and click the first link, as you can see, from roblox.com. You should be redirected to this page in the developer forum. In this post by Burrito, who is a moderator on this official forums. If you read through it all, you are going to get information on why and how you should become a UGC creator. As you can see, UGC applications are now open permanently. So, like I said, to become a UGC creator, you need to fill out a survey and be part of an application program. Scroll down after reading through all of this and click this blue link. Please submit your application through this link. You will be redirected to this Roblox page where you need to read all of this carefully. After you carefully read all of this, you need to fill out the form on the preceding pages in order to apply to become a UGC creator. Don't worry, if you get rejected, you can always try again. Please note that it is a very lengthy process and it's very hard to get applied or accepted. So do this whenever you feel like you're ready to apply. I hope I was able to help you on how to become a UGC creator in Roblox in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.